In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as paid in Freshbooks. Freshbooks is a widely used invoicing and accounting software that can simplify your business financials. But when it comes time to mark invoices as paid, you might be wondering how to do it seamlessly. Let's dive into the process together. To get started, the first thing you need to do is access the Invoices section within your Freshbooks account. This area is the hub for all of your billing activities. Once you're there, you have two main options for marking invoices as paid. You can handle them individually or manage several at once. Let's explore how to handle an individual invoice first. When you're in the Invoices section, locate the specific invoice that you'd like to mark as paid. Open the invoice, and then you should see a three-dot menu or a More Actions button at the top. Give that a click and then choose the Add Payment option. Here, you will need to enter the payment details. Start by specifying the payment date. Choose the payment method you received, be it cash, check, or electronic transfer, and add any pertinent notes that could be helpful for future reference. Once you're satisfied that everything is entered correctly, finalize the process by clicking the green check mark or the Add Payment button. Your invoice is now marked as paid. Now let's say you have multiple invoices to mark as paid. This can be done in bulk, and it's just as straightforward. Again, in the Invoices section, look for a checkmark icon, which allows you to enter the selection mode. This mode is perfect for managing several invoices at once. Click on the invoices you need to address, check them all off. After your selection is complete, you'll find a Mark As option. Click on that, and then choose Mark As Paid from the drop-down menu. Just like with an individual invoice, you'll need to enter the payment details. Fill out this information similarly as before, and finish up by tapping Add to save the changes. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your records in Freshbooks accurately reflect your payments received, maintaining up-to-date financial tracking for your business. Regularly marking invoices as paid prevents clutter and keeps your accounts organized and precise. I hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful. Now you should feel comfortable managing both single and multiple invoice payments within Freshbooks. Thanks for watching, and keep your invoicing efficient.